There's the next project right there. 1966 Ford pickup. Failed restoration. How many of those have you seen in your life? And here's my rig. This is a 96 Ford E350 with the Power Stroke diesel. So let's see how this goes. Okay, we're continuing on. I've paid the lady her money, a very nice lady named Teresa, and getting ready to load it up. So what I'm going to do here is back it down the driveway. Going to try and cut it real sharp and get it kind of parallel with the basketball goal somewhat, and then I'll hook my hook on it, and so I think that's going to work out good, and tow it on up there. Well, she's loaded up and looking pretty good on the trailer there. Actually looks great with my other Ford product. So let's get this one home. All right.
Head east toward Tower Road Southwest.
So I stopped here at the park to check my straps, and I'm glad I did. I did a lousy job strapping the truck, and then loading it up.
Head south toward 86th Street Southwest.
I mean, it's all crooked on here. I mean, it'll work, but it just goes to show you if you take a couple more minutes. But I was having trouble with my winch, which is always the deal.
In 400 feet, turn right onto 86th Street Southwest.
So, okay. I'm gonna be heading out now. I have to go get the title paperwork straightened out. Oh, my hood's open.
Head east
There's
toward
your
Tower
Power
Road
Stroke diesel
Southwest.
right there. Close the hood. And onward I go. I got home okay with it. I stopped by the my fixer friend who fixes titles for me. She just gave me a stack of paperwork. It had a title on it, but everybody signed it and filled out everything. So it's pretty much not valid anymore. But that's okay. My fixer will fix that right up. It's all legal. But here it is. Man, it's looking pretty good. I get it home and it's like, damn. You know, a nicely painted bed. Have a spare. Looks pretty good underneath. You know, it's just an original New Mexico truck. One owner. So this truck was Granddad's truck. Granddad died, then Dad drove it, and he started restoring it. He had it painted, so that was his pride and joy there. He got cancer and died. Now his daughter had it. She took it to a mechanic to get it to run, and he just stole parts off of it and knocked the mirrors off. It was the wrong mirrors anyway, but he just tore them right off of there. So it's a good looking truck. Windshield's got a nice carving in it, but I'll take a look at it once I get it off the trailer. way to the Rapid MVD. We'll be getting a VIN inspection. And the title on it. I don't know who that is, but I got somebody tailgating me. Oh, wait. Well, I made it home. Everything went great with picking the truck up and taking it over to the MVD, and so I've had a real smooth day. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and I'll do an update when I get the truck running. It is not running. I probably have already explained that. Needs the seat done. Very nice truck. But anyway, it's back, and I'll start tinkering with it and get it running, and then I'll do an update video. All right, see you later. Landed safe and sound. Another fine transportation by me. Pretty nice old 1966. It sure is. I need to find some chrome right there. I'll find it.